we have some more breaking news coming in. Delhi's Patiala House Court has now sentenced the Ansal brothers for 7 years in jail for tampering of evidence. A 2.25 crore rupee fine has also been imposed on Gopal and Sushil Ansal as well. This is the Upahar fire tragedy case that we are talking about. Certainly a massive update and a big breaking news coming in from Delhi's Patiala House Court that has now sentenced the Ansal brothers to 7 years in jail for tampering of evidence. Meanwhile, Pankaj Sharma, the CMM, has also imposed fine of rupees 2.25 crores each on both Gopal and Sushil Ansal as well. In fact, the court has also observed in its statement that after thinking night and night, I am of the view that they deserve a punishment. That's the state. In fact, an observation coming in from court. We'll try to shortly go across to Ananya, who's also joining us on this broadcast. But before that, the latest that we are picking up in the Upahar fire tragedy is that Delhi's Patiala House Court has now sentenced the Ansal brothers to 7 years in jail for tampering of evidence. Let me go across to Ananya, who's also joining us over the phone line. Yes, Ananya, please share more.
Well, yes, Sushil Ansal and Gopal Ansal, both the brothers, have been sent to 7 years in jail, and a fine of rupees 2.25 crores has been imposed on both of them for tampering of evidence in this whole Upahar fire tragedy case. The Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Pankaj Sharma has clearly stated that thinking night and night, I think that both of them deserve punishment, and this is a significant judgment coming in the whole Upahar fire tragedy case. Remember that the case had caught light when it had happened, and since then the victims of this whole case were waiting for a judgment. Remember that the both Ansal brothers had escaped the jail term. The Supreme Court had not given a judgment to them, but now in this tampering of evidence case, finally they have been sent to jail for 7 years. Apart from that, a fine of 2.25 crores have been imposed on both the brothers, Sushil Ansal and Gopal Ansal, in this whole case. Back to you.
All right, stay with us, Ananya, and help us understand what the court has also observed, because the court's observation coming in that we are also reading out from, stating that after thinking night after night, I am of the view that they certainly deserve this punishment. Help us understand what exactly happened in the court today.
Well, yes, the court was hearing arguments on sentencing in this whole case. This is relating to the tampering of evidence. The police...
Yes, this is relating to the tampering of evidence. The police, the prosecution has pushed for maximum punishment in this whole case. But now, after reserving its order, after hearing the submissions of both the sides, the court has now given out a 7-year jail term. We would be seeing the detailed order in a while as soon as it comes out, and the reasons therein would be written. But the bigger observation that has come out while the court was pronouncing this order, while Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Pankaj Sharma of the Patiala House Court was pronouncing the order, is that night after night, after thinking over this whole case, I thought, and I am of the opinion, that both of them deserve punishment.